Hi, it's David, and I'm not in the stained glass studio. I'm on a field trip with Jeannie, and we're here in Ogden, or they're very nearby Ogden, because there's a crack in this one piece of glass that we need to repair. So we've got an extension cord plugged in over into the wall of the garage. And the soldering iron is heating up. And so now while we're waiting for that, what I've done is I've got these 3 garbage cans that are the same height. And I'm going to cut this piece of glass and then desolder it, and that way the solder will be able to drop down into the trash can, and we won't hurt this beautiful concrete painted floor. So I'm ready to do this. I hope I can. Okay, so now I'm going to slide it over a bit.
You have to talk over the gardeners.
Now there have been times where we've had to do on-site repairs and didn't have all the tools that we needed. And that made it very, very interesting to try and accomplish that. Okay, now I've got a pair of pliers in here.
So wouldn't you say the hardest part of doing this is not breaking the pieces around it?
Yeah, that's the truth. And that's why I scored it so many times. Now, let's see if this guy will.
Let's do it.
Now, I gotta get this loosened up.
Sounds like the mowers are finished for now.
Okay, now we have a diamond piece that's already cut to size. Since we've been working months on this particular, here's the pattern piece, and here's one of the diamond pieces. And let's see what it looks like, trying to fit it here. Okay. Now, did you need a fid, Jeannie? I guess we've got this, which we can use as a fid.
Okay. Yeah, that's the trouble when you do mobile repairs. You don't have access to everything in the studio.
Well, you'd think that we had everything because you do so many seminars that's away from the studio, and we pack everything up for that. It's just...
You'd think.
What do you think?
Let's do it.
Okay. I haven't played it for a while, but we can try it.
Okay, babe.
Okay. Okay, so now, let's see. This is the side up.
What do you think?
Let's do it.
I haven't played it for a while, but we can try it.
Okay. I don't know how much flux you have on there.
What do you think?
Let's do it.
Okay. I haven't played it for a while, but we can try it. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Okay. I haven't played it for a while, but we can try it.
clean and patina then? Do we have any paper towels?
I have another towel in the car.
Are there a couple of places where the washers have gotten scraped? I noticed one over here, here, and here. Yeah. Okay. Look, you got all the glass crumbs off in there.
So, right, turn it over.
Okay, here we go. I'm watching you.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Do you want to hold it up so we can see it? Okay. And then does it go back over there with the others?
Wipe that side a little bit. Okay, thanks for joining us on our mobile repair. Next time we see each other, I think we'll probably be back in the studio. So, see you then.